Daka jingiasoi Memorandum of Understanding MoU ka bor sinsha district no Ri Bhoi pat ka company Oil India Limited menta ka sinha conference hall ka DRD nongpo kan salong shisha ka jingmentoy haduh sa penyutri skul Ri Bhoi ki ban sayo priang ki Paiñkhana kerpang tang nakabenta ki khynnah Kynthei basyan on sa shna da ka company Oil India Limited kani ka jingyo ki sa penyutri ki skul na Ri Bhoi ya kitei ki Paiñkhana kerpang nakabenta ki khynnah Kynthei kadai ka jingshim kya jong menteri ka sarkar preng ubrang wan yu kechat dang shen Ri Bhoi u Hardeep Singh Puri komu menteri ka tanat petroleum and natural gas baki bor sinsha district kila bo ka jingker pa hakma jong u pada ka jingshim kya jong u ula batha ya ka company Oil India Limited wa menta ka sngi kila ya soy ya ka MoU na ka benta banshna ya kitei ki saupunyo tylli ki Paiñkhana ha ki skul bala shajin Ri Bhoi district hakani ka jingiasoi na don ringkat na do deputy commissioner ka Ri Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal u additional deputy commissioner ka Ri Bhoi u Raja Brahma but na ka liang ka Oil India Limited la mikmat do Arun Joyti Barua chief general manager human resources Oil India Limited ringkat ka jingdon lang kiwe ki officer
Was signed today by district administration and primarily DRDA with Oil India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking in the field of oil and gas exploration. This MoU was regarding construction of 47 girls' toilet in schools where no separate girl toilet is present as of now. This MoU was signed based on our request to Honorable Union Minister of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri sir, when he had visited Ri Bhoi. So we placed request that 47 schools are there which do not have a separate girls' toilet. He immediately directed Oil India Limited, and through that, today we are signing an MoU today. 47 girls' toilet at the total cost of around rupees 70 lakhs plus. Started, we'll write to them for releasing the first installment, and thereafter the construction work will start. Oil India Limited being a central government company, they have very strict control over the quality parameters and etc. So they will also be supervising from their end, and from district administration will be supervising. So hopefully we'll be able to complete all these toilet constructions by Christmas.
So are you happy with this MoU being signed today, sir?
Absolutely, absolutely. So Ri Bhoi is an aspirational district as well. Niti Aayog regularly monitors different indicators, development indicators. One of the development indicator is how many schools have separate girls' toilet, and we always used to, feel sorry for the schools which do not have separate girls' toilet. And fortunately, now that we have signed this MoU, hopefully every school will be covered.